If this found you on December 13th, then there's something you need to know. And the first thing that I'm hearing is that God loves you so much. I'm hearing that He's always loved you, and He always will love you no matter what you do, no matter what you've done. He loves you beyond measure. And so I feel like there's something that you need to hear. So let's get into the message. I just split the deck, and I am seeing the 9 of Pentacles there. I feel like for some of us, money's on the mind. The Strength cards right underneath there, it just is giving me the kind of vibe where it's like we're trying to get by. We're just trying to get by, and we wish. And there's a scale here. For some of us, we're really struggling. We don't know when our next meal's gonna come, right? We don't know how we're gonna pay rent. For some of us, it's like, how are we gonna make Christmas happen? How are we going to do this? But for some of you guys, you're okay, and you almost feel guilty that you want more. You're like, who am I to want all this wealth and prosperity when there are people who can't eat? Okay, so there's a scale that I'm feeling here for all of you watching this. You're all on different parts of the scale, but the message is still the same. And I'm seeing that you want more. You want more. You want the strength. You want more. What can we do to make this change for you? So here we go. We have the Wheel of Fortune. I think things are about to change for you. I think that there's going to be a leveling up when it comes to your money. I'm seeing dollar bills. This is just making me feel like there's going to be something that's going to be changing in your financial situation. Maybe you get a new job. Maybe the job that you have, you get a raise. Maybe you get a promotion. Maybe you win the lottery. Maybe someone who owes you money finally pays you. Maybe you end up selling something and you get a lot more money for it than you expected. But I do feel like there's a situation to where there's going to be a change. It's the Wheel of Fortune. Things are changing. Things are turning. Good fortune's coming to you. And then underneath there we have the 3 of Wands. So this is not just one, what am I trying to say here? One coincidence. This is a synchronicity. And it's going to be one thing after the next. And before you know it, this time next year, you're going to look back at this and you're going to be like, oh my God, I'm a completely different person now than I was then. So much has happened. So much has changed. And it couldn't have happened any other way. The way it happened was perfect, and it was in divine timing because it's God's plan. Okay, so take a deep breath, because guess what? Whenever we are trying to make something happen and it's not working out, it's because God has a better plan. And He's telling you, hey, it's time to get out of your own way because I have this amazing plan in store for you. So that's what's happening here. I do feel like it's going to get better for you. There's so much love here for you, and I hope you can feel it. I hope you felt a small smidgen of that love through this reading. Let me know if you did. Let me know what you want to hear next. I'll see you next time.